If you're a freelance video editor and you've been thinking about pivoting into something new, then this video is for you. Let's talk about why I transitioned from freelance video editor into a landing page designer and why it is the smartest move for your digital career in 2025 and beyond. As you can see naman talaga dito sa mga previous video ko, I introduced myself as a freelance video editor. And last year lang, noong 2024, when I upskill into landing page design, nag-aral talaga ng mga landing page design ng mga courses. First, let's talk about bakit ba ako nag-shift and bakit ba ako nag-upskill into landing page design. As a freelance video editor, I loved the creative work. In fact, video editing was my passion. At ito talaga yung pinakaunang service or skills na in-offer ko online. Lalo na yung crafting stories, bringing visuals to life, maglagay ng mga animations. For me, it's satisfying, right? But here's the thing, time versus money. Video editing projects are time intensive and the pay often caps out. Unless you are working with high-end clients na talagang malaki yung pasahod as a video editor. But for me, it did not happen, no? And also, yung laptop ko kasi is hindi na kaya mag-edit ng mga high resolution na mga videos. So, wala masyadong project, then wala ding income. Or kung may mga projects man, ay lowball din yung mga offers. Number 2 is that burnout. So, late nights na akong natutulog kasi nga hinahabol yung mga deadlines sa pag-submit ng video. It took a toll on my health and also my mental health, and nawala yung creativity ko. So, I started looking for opportunities where I could use my creative skills, but also scale my income. That's when I discovered about landing page design. Una, ay gumagawa lang ako ng landing page for my own digital product business. Hindi ko pa alam way back 2019 kasi that time gumagawa na ako ng mga landing page for my own digital products. And I'm zero knowledge na pwede pala akong kumita doon. And later ko na siya na-discover noong 2024. As I search more about paano ko ba pagandahin yung landing page ko, paano ba ako gagawa ng copy na magka-convert ng cold audience into leads, ay dito ko din talaga na-discover na pwede ko pala siya i-offer as a service. Since nga na nagka-problema ako sa aking laptop kasi nga sobrang loading, sobrang baggy na niya, kahit na CapCut lang yung ginagamit ko. And nung in-installan ko kasi siya ng Adobe Video Editor ay sobrang nagahang. As in, kailangan ko mag-aantay ng ilang minutes para matapos lang yung isang ginagawa. And it took me like long hours kahit na 5 minutes video lang yan. Ay abutin ako ng more or less 3 hours. Kasi nga, sobrang bagal na ng laptop ko. So, doon na nga talaga ako nag-decide na mag-change ako ng niche, mag-change ako ng skills. And landing page nga po yung napili ko. And ang kagandahan din kasi dito sa landing page design is that nakita ko na yung creative freedom where I'm going to design high converting sales funnel na parang ando na din yung visual storytelling because it's all about crafting a journey for the viewer or for the reader ng landing page mo. Unlike kasi sa video editing, landing page projects are quicker to complete and can be sold as templates and packages, and hindi ko na kailangan mag-install ng mga software na makapagbagal o makapag-slow ng laptop ko. Kasi ang kailangan ko lang ay internet, tapos mag-login lang sa account, tapos ayan, magbibuild na. Number 3 reasons that high demand skills pala ang landing page. Kasi nga, every online business needs landing pages. Mapa e-commerce, mapa digital products, mapa mga real estate, mga consultation, kailangan ng landing page. Lalo na pagdating sa lead generation, sa sales, or sa mga product launches. The market is huge and it's growing kasi nagiging more aware na yung mga tao ngayon na mas maganda pala na mayroong landing page compare kung website lang. Lalo na marami ang nagtuturo about landing page design, ay nagiging aware na yung mga business owners na kailangan nga nila yung landing page na yon. And so, they are looking for someone na magaling or marunong mag-design ng landing page. So, in demand ang skills na ito. Plus, I realized that I could leverage my video editing skills to add even more value by integrating explainer video or product demos into the landing pages that I design. And malaking bagay talaga na mayroon akong background pagdating sa video editing kasi nagagamit ko din siya personally and also sinasuggest ko siya sa aking mga clients na mas maganda na if we put videos here kasi mas madali siya mag-convert. So, mga ganun na aspect. So, how did I make the switch? So, first thing na ginawa ko is that I package my skills and position myself as a landing page designer who also adds video elements for better conversions. Number 2 is that I learned tools like System.io, Canva, and Figma to streamline my design workflow. Basically, ito po yung mga tools na pinakakailangan kapag mag-build ka ng landing page. Marami namang mga software and tools where you can build a landing page like ClickFunnels, Go High Level, pwede din sa WordPress. Pero personally and recommended ko talaga is that mag-focus ka lang muna sa isang tools para hindi overwhelming sa'yo. Kasi pag marami ka nang inaaral, so nakaka-overwhelm. So just choose one tool and master it. Number 3 is that traffic. I started marketing my new service which is the landing page design on my social media. So, nung nag-start ako ay gumagawa ako ng mga free na mga landing page in exchange of feedbacks and testimonials. And also, makikita nyo din na marami akong tutorials dito sa YouTube channel ko about landing page and funnel design. This shift wasn't about changing services. It was about building a digital business with room to grow. Kasi gusto ko talaga din mag-grow as a digital product business owner, no? Hindi lang na puro videos. And for me talaga, hindi ako nagsisi na nag-upskill ako into landing page design. Kasi yung mga lessons and mga natutunan ko about landing page is na-apply ko din sa sarili kong business. And is one of the factor kung bakit nagkaroon din ako ng result on my own business. Dito ko na-realize na gaano kahalaga na mayroon kang landing page sa mga offers mo. Ang naging resulta nito so far for 1 year of offering the landing page design service is that nagkaroon ako ng mga clients, hindi naman ganun karami. And also, higher rates compare nung nag-video editing pa lang ako. And also the freedom. Kasi I went from per hour, which is yung sa video editing, and ngayon na nag-landing page design ako ay per project na siya yung payment. So, it lets me work in few hours but earn more. Plus, I help clients build their business and making the impact I've always wanted. And yun po yung pinakamahalaga sa akin na magkaroon ako ng impact sa ibang mga businesses and makatulong talaga sa business side nila. So, if you're a freelance video editor, looking for a path that offers more freedom, more flexibility, and more income potential, landing page design might just be it. Kasi yung skills na meron ka sa visual storytelling, sa creativity, and attention to details are a perfect combination and transition for landing page design. So if you have questions about landing page design, you can drop a comment below. And also if you are wanted to start right away to learn about funnels and landing page, then you can join my 5 days Freedompreneur challenge to help you getting started right away. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe and turn on the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. See you in the next video, Freedompreneurs. Bye!